hold it. Like, no, just hold it. Hold it. Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today,
she's deaf.
I'm gonna be deaf. She's blind.
Are you guys live?
No, we're on YouTube. Yeah. Penny has no hands and Alexis can't talk. Bro, when you guys left, she was like, all of a sudden she went like this to my face. Boom! And I was like, okay.
No!
Every 30 minutes we're gonna switch, like we're gonna rotate down.
Okay. Hey, bro.
I deleted it, bro.
Brother.
Look.
Hey, look at my. So how are we gonna do it if we're not in teams? Like 2 boys?
Point blank.
Are we still?
Why are you asking her?
Oh wait, bruh.
I don't know what you're saying.
She's okay. Take it off for a second. Yeah, take it off for a second. Did
Emma,
my bandit come
Emma
off?
can help me, and then you can help Penny. We're
Okay.
still like not teams, but like
Okay.
We start?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Hey guys, welcome. Okay.
Oh,
when
wait.
I say 1, 2, 3,
Wait.
clap. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys.
Welcome to another cooking video, guys. We're gonna cook these eggs.
Making a cake, but instead, she's blind, she's mute, I can't hear, and no hands. Handless. Rules is every 30 minutes we rotate. So let's put a timer.
Hurry up.
Spoon. You're gonna mix. See, I'm blind. Oh, bro. Oh no, never mind. Wait.
Come on, you need to wait.
Wait, I wanna grab my phone.
Turn around.
Wait, put my phone up. Put my phone up. Put my phone up so I can see everything. Bruh, she can't hear me.
Everything?
What do you want? Put my phone up. This one right
No,
here.
no, look at
Mila's
I can't
joking.
see.
Are you live?
No,
Are you sure?
that one.
Mila, you
doesn't
scared
crack.
me.
Stand it up.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh, where's our box?
I need a napkin.
Mila,
Ew.
that much?
More.
It
That's
says
good.
a cup.
I'm just not gonna talk. This is so wet and nasty.
The oil? Bro, she. Okay,
Mila, I don't have nothing. What? Look at her. Oh,
that much?
Damn.
yeah.
Okay, whatever.
I didn't see how much you put.
Alexis, you put too much water.
Mila, what do you want?
You need more? 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 What do you need?
Help.
Oh, go.
What do you want, Mila? You can't reach. Here, I'll pitch you.
Bro, you better not be taking pictures.
I'm not.
Are you taking? Oh, bro.
There?
Yeah, you
Can I see the rack?
Me too.
The rack?
Me too. Me
Oh.
too.
Sorry.
Oh, shoot.
Huh?
Mila.
Ah, put it that way. Put it. You what?
Alexis,
I think we might need a little bit more. Oh, it's too.
Sunday has a
Bruh.
Ooh! Whoa.
Wait, I'm at.
Yeah?
Move the box. The box.
Oh my!
Move it. Move it somewhere. Move it somewhere away.
Ariana!
What? Wait.
Let me see.
No.
Okay, tell me if you can see more of Alexis.
Yeah. Oh, she's Is it 30 minutes? But I think 30 minutes was a lot to switch.
No.
Are we switching or not?
No?
We're switching?
Right now?
Oh.
I think we're done.
Oh, wait.
I gave it some to Emma and then after I licked it.
Cause I don't know. I didn't
what
know
are you
how
doing?
much oil we put. Like we didn't put a lot of oil.
We put a lot of water.
No.
Damn, baby, stop eating for once in your life.
What the hell?
Oh, we sure about the thing to bake it with. Where are we gonna put the things to bake it in?
Inside the house.
Both the butter and all.
Oh, we last time we brought them.
Last time we brought it.
We did.
So we're not
Cause
done.
remember, just I put too much butter.
Oh yeah. I was like, well, no one told me to stop, and I can't see.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm grabbing the battery. I'm dipping. It was scary.
Once upon a time, there was this vieja. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is your battery good?
Try it. You wanna try it? Here.
Oh shit.
Alright guys, we'll see you when the cake is done baking.
Peace.
Peace.